time to have fun with Kitty and Lou.
Oh, rain! Lou! Lou, where are you? Oh, I know where you'll be.
Enjoy the rain. Enjoy the rain. It rains for you. It rains for me too. Every single drop is so refreshing. Every single drop will get you wet.
Every single drop will have you wishing that the rain's not over yet. Enjoy the rain. Enjoy the rain. It rains for you. It rains for me too. Falling on the plants and all the creatures. Falling on the ferns as they unfurl. Falling on the wakers and the sleepers. Washing all the worries from the world.
Enjoy the rain. Enjoy the rain. It rains for you. It rains for me too.
Hi!
Kitty, don't.
Don't what?
Oh, never mind.
Lots of rain.
Yup, it's a super soaky situation, all right.
What shall we do?
Get cozy and tell stories.
Ooh, yes. Want to go first?
You go.
Okay. Once there were two creatures who lived in a forest. Their names were Schmitty and Shmoo.
Sounds a bit like us.
No, quite different.
Oh, okay.
Schmitty and Shmoo were the very best of friends.
Oh, were they?
Yeah. Shmoo loved sniffing flowers and taking naps.
And Schmitty loved swinging on vines and racing.
And they were always having fun and singing and playing games.
Oh, wow. So, what happens?
How do you mean?
Well, what happens in the story? Usually something bad happens, or something scary, or something difficult.
Nothing happens. They just have a lovely time being friends.
Oh. So, that's it. That's the story.
Yeah.
Okay, so where are they now?
Schmitty and Shmoo are still there in the forest. Still best friends. Yep. And they're always going to be there.
Always. Sort of like happy ever after.
Exactly. Happy ever after.
I like that story. Oh, it stopped.
Come on!